Are you overwhelmed by managing conversations across multiple platforms? You're not alone. Businesses today face communication chaos with scattered messaging channels. Introducing Textline's Unified Inbox, the ultimate solution to streamline your communication. Say goodbye to logging into multiple accounts and welcome efficiency at your fingertips. With Unified Inbox, gain visibility into all conversations in one place. Save time with instant access to messages from different departments. Enhance communication with quick responses across all channels. What sets Textline apart? Its customizable user experience. Admins control what agents see, ensuring privacy and relevancy. No more confusion or missed messages. Take what's possible to the next level. Just ask If Syndicate. They transformed their guest support with Unified Inbox. Now they manage all SMS conversations effortlessly. Imagine responding quickly to guests without switching between locations. Unified Inbox effortlessly integrates multiple phone lines, resulting in outstanding customer service. Unified Inbox isn't just a tool, it's a game changer. Experience increased efficiency and improved communication today. Ready to elevate your communication game? Start your Textline journey now. Visit our website and transform your inbox today.